everyone, Sahar here, coming to you from the beautiful town of Kuşadası, Turkey. Today's adventure takes us on an exciting boat trip along the stunning coastline. Please leave a comment confirming that you've subscribed and I'll respond to your comment. We chose a fantastic tour package that included a convenient car pickup to get us to the boat, and I couldn't be more excited about it. The harbor was absolutely stunning, and the weather couldn't have been more perfect for this trip. As we arrived at the boat, I was immediately struck by its warm and cozy atmosphere. It's the kind of place that makes you feel right at home, with the welcoming vibe that's just so nice and comfortable. I can't wait to share every personal and heartwarming detail of this journey with you. Let's dive into this wonderful experience together. Now we are on our exciting journey to our first destination, the Greek island. The view from here is absolutely breathtaking, with the crystal clear blue water stretching out as far as the eye can see. The sun's gentle warmth adds to the overall charm of this moment, making it truly enjoyable. Here I'm about to take a leap into the sea from the boat. The catch is I'm not the most confident swimmer, and the vastness of the ocean has always filled me with a sense of fear, especially what might be lurking beneath the surface. Today I've decided to confront one of my deepest fears, and I won't deny that it's been quite a challenge for me. But I can already tell you it's been absolutely worth every bit of courage I've gathered.
You can do it! Go, 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 go!
Aman ha bizi ünlü etme ben öyle memnun olma.
Şu anda
Yes.
Can I take the empty place, please?
It's time to dig in. I must say, the food here is absolutely delicious. Now it's time to hit the water at our second destination, and this time I'm wearing life jacket to ensure safety. We've arrived at the stunning beach with water so crystal clear. It's like stepping into a dream. What truly amplifies the beauty here are the magnificent imposing rocks that encircle this natural paradise. They stand tall and majestic, casting inspiring shadows on the shoreline. As I step into the clear sea, I'm captivated by the calm waves and beautiful shades of blue all around me. As we made our way back, one of the fellow passengers delighted us with a captivating belly dance performance, which added a fantastic touch to our journey. This trip, without a doubt, ranks among the best experience I've had in Kuşadası.